what's happening, what's happening? It's pretty sweet, was a little long. Yes, judge me. But then in the end, I was like, hush, thank God. Sorry. I'm getting conscious that man is looking now. Okay, so I saw The Dark Knight Rises and I felt that the story and the screenplay, the whole look of the movie, it was definitely a step ahead. I loved the first half. I didn't want to look anywhere else, you know, I just wanted to like focus and see what's happening next. I thought it was quite dragged in the second half, which it shouldn't have been. I thought Christian Bale, he has that, you know, the look on his face and that physique that he has. I think it's perfect for Batman. Anne Hathaway surprised me. I've always seen her as, you know, happy, smiley little girl, and then I see her as this really strong and smart woman. Villain plays a major part in the Batman movies. Joker was really creepy. Heath Ledger played that part so well. But in Dark Knight Rises, Bane was just strong. I mean, yes, he was a little intimidating, but he wasn't as, you know, what a villain should be. Like, Christopher Nolan is, hats off. I think he's outdone himself this time also. His mind works like magic, and that's exactly what he's done in this movie. Just that I felt that, you know, he should have worked a little more on the editing because the second half was a little long. I know you might be giving me galis for this. Anne Hathaway and Christian Bale together reminded me of Aishwarya Rai and Hrithik Roshan in Dhoom 2. Yes, judge me, but you know what? That's exactly how I feel. The way they've shot the entire thing, the effects were superb. I loved the cinematography. I wasn't very surprised at the first twist. The last twist about Batman was very surprising. I was very happy in the end. You know, for a minute I was like, but then in the end I was like, hush, thank God. Overall, it's a happy ending, and the trilogy is over. To be honest, Superman is my favorite superhero, and Christopher Nolan's next film is Man of Steel, which is about Superman. So I'm looking forward to that more than Batman. I know all you Dark Knight fans will be like, what a bitch and how dare she say something like that. I really liked Dark Knight Rises. I think you should go watch it. I think you will love it.
Action.